got a Glock in my Rari. If I seen a man at the liquor store begging for your change, the hair on his face is dirty, dreadlocked in his furry mane. Ask a man for what he can spare with shame in his eyes. Get a job, you fucking slobs, all he replied. God forbid you ever had to walk a mile in his shoes. Then you really might know what it's like to have the blues. Yeah, then you really might know what it's like. Yeah, you really might know what it's like. Hey, then you really might know what it's like. Yeah, you really might know what it's like to have the blues. Yeah, yeah. Mary got pregnant from a kid named Thomas, said he was in love. Said don't worry about a thing, baby doll, I know man you've been dreaming though. And 3 months later he said he won't date or return her calls. And she swear hot damn if I find that man I'm cutting off his balls. And she heads to the clinic and she gets some static walking through the door. Yeah, they call her a sinner and they call her a killer and they call her a whore. But God forbid you ever had to walk a mile in his shoes. Then you really might know what it's like to have to choose. Then you really might know what it's like. Whoa! Then you really might know what it's like. Then you really might know what it's like. Now, hey. I seen the sick man grin, I seen a tough man grin, I seen a tough man cry. I seen the film spin, I seen a sad man grin, I seen an honest man lie. I seen the good side of bad and the downside of up and everything between. I licked the silver spoon, drank from the golden cup, smoked the finest green. I showed the fattest downs at least a couple of times before I broke they heart. You know where it is, yo, it usually depends on where you start, but you know, no. I knew this kid named Max, he liked to get fast stacks out on the corner with drugs. He liked to hang out late, he liked to get shit-faced and keep the pace with thugs. Till late one night, there was a big gunfight and Max lost his head. He pulled out his chrome 45, talked some shit, wound up dead. But God forbid you ever had to walk a mile in his shoes. Then you really might know what it's like to have to lose. Then you really might know what it's like. Oh, oh, oh. Then you really might know what it's like. Yeah. Then you really might know what it's like to have to lose.